Welcome to Spring Lib.
In this question, given data is there is a block which is initially at rest condition. After some time it is trying to explode. So in the exploding it will divided in three equal part, and now in the question it is saying that two parts are moving along x axis and y axis with equal speed of 10 meter per second. So I can say that here for two equal parts the velocity is given, that is v is equal to 10 meter per second, and direction also given, that is one is going along y direction and another is going along x direction. Now in the question, after giving this data, it is trying to ask find the initial velocity of third part. So now let's start answering this question. So here I can say that the center of mass is not changing because there is no external force, and the explosion of block is taking itself by using its internal energy. So I can say that there is first point is that is there is no change in center of mass. So now I can say that my next step is here I am taking a 2D coordinate system. So this is a y axis and this is a x axis, and consider that the block is at origin initially at rest condition. So I can say that here the block is first located at the origin of this 2D coordinate system. Then after it, in the question it is saying that after some time it is trying to explode in three parts, and in the three parts only two parts is going in x direction and y direction by same velocity. That means I can say that the first part is going in x direction with given velocity, that is v value is given in the question, and second part is going in y direction with same velocity that is given in the question. And now I can say that the velocity net velocity after taking particle of first particle velocity and second particle's velocity, I can say that here net velocity will be written as, that is v is equal to square root of v square plus v square plus 2v square times of cos theta will be, that is 90 degree, because you can see that the angle will be written as, that is 90 degree, and here I had used the formula for finding the net velocity. Formula is, that is v is equal to square root of v1 square plus v2 square plus 2v1 v2 cos theta. So after substituting the value of v1 v2 that is equal to same velocity, that means v and theta that is equal to 90 degree, then I will get the net velocity of two bodies, that means two particle. So now next step is here put the value of v, that is equal to in the question given, that is v is equal to 10 meter per second. So I can say that v net will be written as, that is net velocity of both two particles will be equal to square root of v1 v square, that means 10 square plus v square, that means 10 square plus 2 times of v square, that will be 10 square, and then cos 90 multiplied by cos 90. Now simplify it, then I will get the value of v net, that is equal to 10 square root of 2 meter per second, and having a angle with respect to x axis, I can say that making angle by v net, that is equal to 45 degree. You can also see in the 2D coordinate system directly. I can say that v net will be, because due to the both particles are same, so I can say that the resultant velocity will make angle 45 degree from x axis, and value of v net will be equal to, that is 10 square root of 2 meter per second. Now next step is we have to find the initial velocity of third particle. So I can say that the initial velocity of third particle will be equal to, that is v net, and direction will be in the opposite direction, that means opposite direction of v net, that means in this direction. So angle will be from x axis, I can say that angle will be written as, that is 135 degree. So now after getting the value of v net, I can say that the initial velocity of third particle will be, because the center of mass is not changing, so I can say that the initial velocity of third particle will be equal to v net. V net means net velocity of two particles above given two particles. So value is, that is 10 square root of 2, and angle will be for this third particle, I can say that the third particle is making angle, that is theta is equal to 135 degree with respect to x axis. So here I had get the answer for given question. So answer is, that is initial velocity of third particle will be 10 square root of 2 meter per second, and this particle is making angle with 135 degree with respect to x axis. So this is the answer of given question, and I had solved the question completely. Thank you.